Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, There and Pack Again, a place where I talk about my traveling experiences and hopefully one day it will be about a travel around the world. Today, let's start with a place in my home country, Thailand. In less than an hour's drive away from the capital city, they're located Wisdom Farm, an eco-friendly outdoor tourism spot for those who love the nature, would like to take cool pictures with the greens, and do not want to commute too far. Alright, here we are at the entrance gate. Hanging above is what's called pa khao ma, pieces of cloth made from many materials including cotton, raw thread, and linen, made in many colors in rectangular shape, traditionally worn by locals, especially farmers. As you enter through the gate, the first thing you see on the right is a big green patch of rice field and a man-made pond. So I started my journey by walking along this wooden bridge, and yes, it is a little bit wobbly. We are entering into the first checkpoint, traditional Thai houses from 4 regions in the country. Traditional Thai houses have an open space on the ground floor, and you would have to climb up the stairs to go to the living area. The roof is also very tall because there is an open space underneath, allowing the wind to go through and cool off inside the house. Because traditional Thai houses were built right along the canal, here we are, a canal full of natural greens, very quiet and peaceful. On the other side of the farm is where you can learn about sufficiency economy and techniques on how to garden in a city. There is also a little tiny zoo where kids and adults can pet and feed all the animals, including chicken, cows, and goats. And of course, there's a rice crop that's waiting for its harvest time. Another checkpoint in this farm is called Ban Din Ban Fang, which literally translates to houses built from soil and hay. These soil blocks were made here as a demonstration, and later they can be used to build these beautiful, cool-looking buildings. One of my favorite checkpoints in this farm is this set of bridge. Part of it is a suspension bridge that is pretty long and allows you to see all the entire view in this farm. In order to get onto this bridge, you have to climb onto this cool-looking old boat as well. Last but not least, for those who would like to take a break, you can stop by Wisdom Cafe, which offers beverages like tea and coffee, including locally grown and roasted coffee beans. And that's all about Wisdom Farm in 3 minutes. Thank you for watching. Until next time.